Alright guys, so we are going to start with a single crochet, then go to the half double crochet, double crochet, and triple crochet. There will be timestamps throughout the video so you can click to the one that you need. Even though I'm working in the round, you can use the same technique when you're first starting a brand new row, midway through a row, or wherever you need to join and fasten on. To make a standing single crochet, we're going to leave a long enough tail for weaving in our ends, and we're going to wrap the yarn around our hook once, like we're making a double crochet. Pick up your work and hold your tail in place with your thumb. Now insert your hook into the indicated stitch, yarn over and draw up a loop. So we have 2 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through both loops. Now that the stitch is done, we can pull our tail to the back of our work because our stitch is secure. And this is our standing single crochet that we made without a chain. To make a half double crochet, we're going to leave a long enough tail for weaving in our ends, and we are going to wrap the yarn around our hook twice, like we're making a triple crochet. Hold that tail in place with your thumb. We're going to insert our hook into the indicated stitch, yarn over and draw up a loop. Now the half double crochet is the hardest one just because it's really finicky. So what we're going to do, normally with a half double crochet, we're going to pull through all 3 loops at the same time. But this one it's a little harder to do. So what we're going to do is pull through the first 2 loops, okay? And then grab this loop with your thumb to kind of stretch it out enough that you can pull your hook through the loop, okay? And we've completed our half double crochet. Now we can pull our tail to the back of our work and we have a chainless start to our new row or round. To make a standing double crochet, leave a long enough tail for weaving in your ends and wrap the yarn around the hook twice like we're making a triple crochet. Now find your piece of work, make sure your 2 loops are still on your hook, and insert your hook into the indicated stitch. Okay. Yarn over and draw up a loop. At this point we should have 3 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over, pull through just the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but the whole time I was holding this tail with my thumb to keep it in place so my work wouldn't unravel. But now that the stitch is done, I'm going to move this tail to the back of my work, and as you guys can see, this is a really nice standing double crochet chainless start. To make a triple crochet, we're going to leave a long enough tail for weaving in our ends, and we are going to wrap the yarn around our hook 3 times. Pick up your work, making sure that you still have the 3 loops on your hook and holding the tail in place with your thumb. Insert your hook into the indicated stitch, yarn over and draw up a loop. So as you guys can see, we have 4 loops on our hook. So we are going to yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and at this point we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. We have 2 loops remaining, so yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Now at this point we can put our tail to the back of our work, and there we go, a chainless triple crochet